Brad posted an announcement and this could change the chart forever. Guys, something is announced that is huge for Brad, and I want to talk about that in this video. And you know, I'm talking about Brad lately often because I think there is still long-term a lot of potential. But I also understand that a lot of you are watching this video are maybe afraid of the price action right now. So as you can see, Brad reached an all-time high of almost $2 billion. Currently, we are trading below 1 billion. Do we need to worry or do we need to buy more? Do I have still faith? I want to give you my honest opinion what I am doing with my Brad tokens and also about the announcement that is made. So Brad posted this announcement: Binance Futures will launch USDT margin Brad perpetuals. This means that Brad is soon available on Binance. Yes guys, Binance, one of the biggest exchanges in the world for future trading. And for everyone who don't know future trading is like giving the people the possibility to trade with leverage on Brad and also on Binance. A lot of people trust Binance with a lot of funds. So this means also that more people with bigger funds can trade leverage on Brad right now. And what this means is more liquidity goes into a token means a higher price. But do we see that also inside the chart? So on the 20th of August, as we can see, we see that the Brad price was around 750 million. After the announcement, it spiked above 1 billion, but we couldn't stay above. So there is a lot of like selling pressure coming from people who are selling like around the area of 1 billion, but still a 38% increase. So what do I expect of this announcement? Why does this change, this announcement, the price action of Brad? I think this is very bullish long-term for Brad because people can trade Brad leverage. As an example, if I do $1,000 and I do a 10x leverage, I can now trade with $10,000 for Brad. So I like this. We are still in a downtrend with Brad, but even a downtrend can be broken soon as Bitcoin is making nicer moves. And to give you a quick impression about the Bitcoin chart, we can see the same pattern inside the Bitcoin chart. We're making lower highs. As you can see here, we're making lower highs, and also at the bottom we're making lower lows. And this means that we're currently in a downtrend. But I have to say, guys, it doesn't mean that the bull market is over. We are still in this consolidation channel. As you can see, we're making this kind of pattern inside the chart, but now we are on our way to reach the higher area of this channel. So this means that when Bitcoin is going higher again, I also see Brad is going higher and see way better prices, especially with this announcement for perpetuals on Binance. I think there's so much more for Brad. People are not, like projects are not giving all the news right now. Why? Because the market is still going sideways. But I expect soon as the market recovers, we will see way different kind of prices, like way higher prices, and people start pushing all the work they are doing right now. And I think this is the best move. So my suggestion for the price action of Brad, let's highlight the most important areas for you. So as you can see, this is a huge area of resistance, but also a huge area of support. We bounced back from it here. Let me go back to the brush. So here we saw it 2 times. We broke above it. We couldn't keep this support, so we broke below it, but now we are above it. So we are in this kind of area right now where we go sideways for Brad. We want to break above the $1 billion again to break this level, and then we making a new trend. Why? Why, guys? So I will explain you. So as you can see here is we setting a high here. So we are having here one high, another high, but we keep on making lower highs. And this is the new high here. So if we break above, we retest, we are making a higher high, and this means that the trend is broken and we are ready to make a new upward trend. Then the most important thing is to look at the lows. We have a low here, and if we make a new higher low, we make a new upward trend. So this is the moment I I will buy more bread. I am already buying more during the dip, but if a trend gives us a signal, a second signal, like we have of course support and resistance inside the chart, but if I see a signal that we make a new trend, this is also a good moment to buy more bread. So let's take a look at the chart later on in the coming weeks. We want to make a new higher high and setting a lower high. Sorry, a higher low, I'm sorry. So guys, that is about bread right now. I think this is very bullish for bread, and I think there's a lot of more potential for bread. Like even right now, from here to the all-time high is still 180%. We are super early. Like Shiba Inu reached a market cap of $40 billion during the bull run. Like, what was another one? Like a very big one. Dodge, 40 or 60 billion out of my head. It's insane. Like, bread is only at $1 billion. The narrative of 2024 cycle is Mad Fury memes, guys. So, like, still 10-20x is possible in a good bull run. We are not there yet, but I think it will come almost for sure. So be safe, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I want you to stay up to date about the market and new gems. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.